Okay, so this is how we can download a PDF file from your WhatsApp using your MacBook. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you don't know, you can use a WhatsApp web on your desktop. So that is pretty simple. You can literally just open up Safari and type in WhatsApp web, and then you can use your phone to link that device using a QR code. It's really simple, and you can set up the connection that way, right? So on your phone, on the WhatsApp, you can literally just open up the WhatsApp settings, then click on linked devices and add a new one where you can scan that QR code and you're going to be good to go. Then once you get to this chat, if you notice that you have a PDF file which you want to save, you can easily just click on the download button and your website or the browser should come up with a pop-up telling you that or asking you if you can allow downloading files from that website, which you of course click on allow, and then these documents will be saved in your downloads folder. So it is really simple once you have these WhatsApp web set up, meaning that you can access your chats really simply. Also, besides that, you can get a dedicated app for a desktop, which is basically the same thing as if you were using the Safari website, but it's just more convenient, of course, to have an app. So that's kind of how it works. This is how you can connect your WhatsApp accounts and make it available on a computer. And then locating that PDF file is pretty simple because you can just click it anytime and it will be downloaded and saved into your folders. So that's it. That's a very quick guide and tutorial. Let me know below in the comments if you need more like approach or different like videos which you might be interested in. Leave a comment below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this one, and I'll see you in the future.